Hi, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build Sankey charts. Sankey charts are basically used to depict flow of data from one dimension to another. For example, here I'm showing flow of sales volume from a region to category. In Tableau, to draw these curves, we use a technique called data densification. If you are not aware of data densification, please visit my previous video where I have described how densification works in Tableau. The link is mentioned in the description of this video and here on the card. So let's get started. To densify my data, I have duplicated my data. There are many techniques to densify data, and this is one I have used. And then to add densification points, I have created this calculated function so that I can get 49 for each row. I want to get 49 points, densification points. So after doing this, I will create a bins. I have named it as padded. So what it does is it creates 49 points. So if you draw this over here, so and show missing values. So what these 2 to 48 points, this is what I am going to use to create the artificially my densification points, which is not there. If you drag the cells over here, you see I have duplicated the data only twice, but I will use these additional points to create densification. The next step is I want to space all these points evenly. So what this function does is if you drag this over here and remove the cells and put it in the details and change it to circles padding. So what this function does is it will create these points evenly between -6 and +6 so that I can create a smooth curve between these points. Next, I will create two rank functions. Sorry. Yeah. So basically, this is running sum of sales or total sum of sales. So with this help, I can place my values on these densification points. So I will create 2 points, two rank functions, one for dimension 1 and another for dimension 2 for these dimensions. So for this one and this one, I have created these two rank functions. Next is to build the curve. I will use this sigmoid function. With this sigmoid function and the curve function, what I'm trying to do is if you draw a line in Tableau, say for example, this is my dimension 1 in this end and this end is my dimension 2. If you want to draw a line from, say for example, central region to furniture category, so it will create a straight line. So instead of creating a straight line, to draw this curve line with this function and sigmoid function, what I'm trying to do is with these densification points, instead of creating a straight line, I'm creating it these densification points at different points so that it resembles a curve. So once I have this curve, all I have to do is just drag the curve over here, and since I am doing this Sankey between two dimensions, I will drag dimension 1 and dimension 2, and then I just have to pad it over these densification points. So I'll just edit this. So rank 1, which is on the region, so I want to order it based on this order. So from region to segment. So what it is doing is my dimension 1, which is region, it is ordering on the region, and then to flip it, I will just reorder this. So say for example, if my second dimension is segment, so I just reorder this so that I have a Sankey diagram. So that's it. Now all I have, we have to do some formatting. So since it has created an extra point, fix my axis -5 to 5 just to remove this extra point, and that's it. Like then just change it to line. So this breaks Tableau doesn't know how to join these densification points, so we'll just drag this padded to the point so that we tell him Tableau to draw the lines based on these densification points. So that's it. We have our Sankey, and to size it, I will create a running sum of sales, and just put it over the padding and drag it over the size. That's it, and resize it the way you want. So just to save time, I have created this final dashboard with formatting. So here I have used parameterization. So if you want to do the parameterization, just create a parameterization and two-dimension calculated functions, and with that we can have this Sankey diagram. So thank you for watching, and please comment and share with your friends. Thank you.